Hello everyone! Today we are here in Dnake in Xiamen in China. Dnake is a leading intercom industry for more than 20 years now. With 3 dedicated buildings and more than 50,000 square meters of area, Dnake manufactures everything that you need in terms of your intercom to your modern living. Right from your 2-wire systems to your IP-based intercom to your access control to your smart homes. Have you ever wondered how high-end intercom systems are made? Well, let's find out. Today, we're going to take you to an exclusive tour of Dnake's headquarters and Dnake's factory. Okay, so first stop is the showroom. So let's quickly go and check that out. Post which, we will check out their production lines. Come. Wow, check this out. This is Dnake's showroom. This is exactly where they showcase their achievements and their innovations. Wow. So Dnake is associated with top real estate companies all across the world. Since they are leading manufacturers of intercom systems, they have more than 460 patents registered against them. Dnake is growing rapidly with their presence in more than 90 countries globally. Since Dnake is the world's leading manufacturing company for intercom systems, now they are expanding their portfolios for smart home products as well since 2024, and now they are also adding new products in AC and smart lock systems. Interesting times ahead. Now that we know everything about Dnake's background, let's quickly go and check out their production line. Come. So we will start with their SMT line, but before entering, we make sure that we suit up because Dnake is extremely strict with their manufacturing protocols. This is where the real production begins. Okay, Dnake has 21 production lines with 5 specific SMT lines for their production. All of Dnake's SMT lines are imported by Panasonic to make sure that we get high-end products. Next up is Dnake's programming software platform. This makes sure that they boost programming firmware efficiency. Now we are in the final assembly area. This is exactly where the product takes its final shape. By the way, Dnake is a 5G company now. They use 5G technology in their factory to make sure that they boost efficiency. Dnake uses MES system, manufacturing executing system, to elevate their production. As you can see, workers are assembling the same. Once the production is done, Each and every product goes through an aging and performance test, after which it goes through another test. Now let's have a look at their experiment center. This is Dnake's experiment lab. All sort of experiments take place in this lab. This lab is also certified by CNES. Dnake is the first intercom company in China to be recognized with this certification. Their reports are recognized with more than 140 countries globally. And that's it. It's a wrap from us. Hope you really enjoyed the tour of Dnake manufacturing process, learning how every product is made from start to finish. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. That's it from our end. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you so much.